one and all. It's my pleasure to welcome this august gathering on this momentous occasion. Placements Day celebrations 2K24. Wholeheartedly invite our chairman Dr. P. Krishna Rao Garu to come on to the dais and grace the chair. I feel elated to invite guest of honor Sri Ravuri Srinivas Rao Garu onto the dais. I invite our chief guest Sri Sajja Kishore Babu Garu, Chairman and Managing Director of the flagship company PowerMech Projects Limited. I request Dr. M. Radhika Mani ma'am, Dean Training and Placement, to deliver the opening remarks.
Many major IT giants have put a pause for the recruitment during this academic year, but our students are successful in getting 1,119 placements. I would like to present the placement statistics for this academic year 2023-24. We have 11 students with CTC more than 10 LPA, 345 students with CTC more than 6 LPA, 538 students with CTC more than 4 LPA, Accenture with 123 offers, TCS with 65 offers, Rivature with 18 offers, Deloitte with 17 offers, HP with 10 offers.
So I am extremely overwhelmed by the wonderful achievement of our students who secured 1119 placements in different companies.
ప్రగతి యొక్క టార్గెట్ని 1000 ఎట్టి పరిస్థితుల్లో దాటాలి. మన ఎలిజిబిలిటీ స్టూడెంట్స్ అందరికీ కూడా 100% జాబ్స్ రావాలి అనే దానికి ముఖ్యంగా మీరు ఎంతో కృషి చేసి జాబులు సంపాదించినందుకు ప్రత్యేకంగా ముఖ్యంగా ముందుగా స్టూడెంట్స్ అందరినీ కూడా అభినందిస్తున్నాను. ఆ సందర్భంగా నేను ఒక విశిష్టమైన అతిథిని తీసుకొచ్చాను ఈరోజు.
And the students, outgoing students, now you're all employees, starting the life and their parents.
I really congratulate this management of this institution for having these placements. It is a really spectacular achievement. More than 1,000 placement, it is not a joke. You have risen to this level because of the parents. I carry my parents photo. I request everybody here, please take care of your parents.